Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your transaction history on lwex.com. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for lwex.com. Then you will be landed on the official website of lwex. Now, once you are on this page, the first thing that you need to do is to simply log in into your account. And for that, click on the login option in the top right hand corner and provide your login credentials and log in into your account. Now, once this step is done, in order to check your transaction history, simply click on the assets tab, and over here you will see a bunch of different options including the tab for your transaction history. So you need to select which accounts history you want to see. For example, you want to see the transaction history of your funding tab, so you need to simply tap on that, and over here you will see the option of funding records. So once you click on it, on this page you will see all of your transaction history, which you can even filter it out with this calendar. So if you face any kind of problem while getting your transaction history, you can even just mail them at this email address and you can ask them to provide you the transaction history based on your account. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.